Utuku wa gukia muthi wa Jumapili kiumia kihituku niguo barabara ino yatukire na guthararia mihango ya ukui mwena uyu undu umwe na kuahura muingi wa itura riri no na thengia ya kwirikana umanite na mbura nene iri rathi na mbere na guthandana ni motukari uronekana gubatarania ugi na utarani wa ataramu mari na uhigiriru wa mwigariurire wa thi. Kurigana na Paul Ngugi na uria ni murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya weji wa hinya wa thitima GDC thina uyu umite kirima kia Minigai na kuiturura iria-ini ria Naikuru.
Quick assessment is that probably this is a pre-existing fault line, and sometimes when the rains come, the faults can get washed below, and that could lead to an opening. Also, because they could also be stressed, sometimes when the water goes in, sometimes it oils the friction, and sometimes the fault can actually move.
Gavana Kinyanjui unioriti ukiririria kuma kuri muingi wa itura riri mbere ya ripoti igie mwatuko uyu uheanitwo.
The report from the experts, and once we get the report, we are going to map out the extent of the fault line. If the fault line extends a kilometer or 100 meters, we are going to map out that, and after we map it out, we shall equally advise members of the public and in particular developers within that particular area, so that if there are any buildings that may be at the risk of being affected structurally by this kind of a fault line, appropriate decisions will be made.
Na kumana na burere rathi na mbere na kura ni motuko ugwati kuri nyumba iriri mwena uyu Gavana Kinyanjui akiuga ene nyumba ni megukorwo makimenyithio maumirira ma ripoti ya ataramu.
House on top of it or any other sort of structure that may be there, certainly there may be structural consequences arising from all the soil that may be taken away. But I think we leave some of those conclusions to when the experts have finished. But I think it is important for the people who may be having properties along the fault line to know that a study is currently underway, and the study may have conclusions that may affect them one way or the other.
Riri tirita ria mbere kaunti ya Naikuru kugomirwo ni mutino ta uyu wa muthia uri demu-ini ya Nyaru mwena wa Surai kiambiriria kia mwaka uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa ni Wang'ombe wa Maina.